Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Foxit PDF Reader not opening on Windows. First, close Foxit PDF Reader completely. If it is running in the background, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Find Foxit PDF Reader, select it, and click End Task. Now try opening Foxit PDF Reader again. If it still doesn't open, restart your computer. A simple restart can often fix temporary software issues. After restarting, right-click the Foxit PDF Reader icon and choose Run as Administrator. This can fix permission-related problems. If the problem continues, update Foxit PDF Reader to the latest version. Open your web browser, go to the official Foxit website, download the latest version, and install it. You can also repair the installation. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Foxit PDF Reader, click the three dots, choose Modify if available, and select Repair. Another useful solution is to reset the application settings. Open Foxit if possible, go to File, then Preferences, and restore the default settings. If Foxit still does not open, uninstall it completely from Settings Apps, restart your computer, and install a fresh copy from the official Foxit website. Finally, make sure Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install any available updates. These methods solve most Foxit PDF Reader not opening problems on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.